The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? A portion of northeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Lackawanna, Luzerne, Pike, and southern Wayne. When? From 3 p.m. this afternoon through late tonight. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Storm drains and ditches may become clogged with debris. Additional details: https://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.